What I wish I knew at 20 instead of 30. Life is full of lessons, and some of the most valuable ones often come a bit too late. One such lesson is understanding the power of natural foods in enhancing our health and well-being. Imagine if you had known about the incredible benefits of watermelon and beetroot a decade earlier. These two humble foods are not just delicious, they are nature's secret weapons for boosting your libido and overall performance. Watermelon and beetroot can naturally boost your libido and enhance your performance. These vibrant, colorful foods are packed with nutrients that can make a significant difference in your life. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, which converts into L-arginine in your body. This conversion process is crucial because L-arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a vital role in vasodilation, or the widening of blood vessels. Enhanced nitric oxide levels lead to improved blood flow throughout the body, including to the genital area, which is essential for achieving and maintaining erections. Beetroot, on the other hand, is high in dietary nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body. Like L-citrulline, nitric oxide from dietary nitrates helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow. This enhanced blood flow to the penis can improve erectile function, making it easier to achieve and sustain erections. Think of it as a 1-2 punch alongside watermelon. The combination of L-citrulline from watermelon and dietary nitrates from beetroot provides a significant boost to nitric oxide levels, leading to improved vasodilation and enhanced blood flow. This synergistic effect can significantly enhance your sexual health. Together, these foods can naturally enhance blood flow and libido, offering a safe, refreshing alternative to pharmaceuticals. Watermelon and beetroot provide a natural solution that not only supports your sexual health, but also contributes to your overall well-being. Blend them into smoothies, toss them in salads, or get creative with your recipes. There are countless ways to incorporate these superfoods into your diet. You can start your day with a refreshing watermelon and beetroot smoothie, or add them to your favorite salads for a burst of color and flavor. Grab a watermelon and beetroot today, and let nature work its magic. Embrace the power of these natural superfoods and experience the positive changes they can bring to your life. Whether you're looking to boost your libido, improve your overall health, or simply enjoy some delicious and nutritious foods, watermelon and beetroot are the perfect choices. Stay healthy. Don't forget to join the family.